Welcome to my residence. That's the dining room. And let me show you some of the flavors of tea, blends of tea. There's a variety of Ceylon tea. We have tea tastes different by the range. Tea is normally grown at about 800 meters above sea level. And if you take these different names, these are ranging from 300 meters to 2000 meters above sea level at different cities in Ceylon, that's called Sri Lanka today. So tea was brought to Ceylon by the British, and Ceylon became independent and in 1972 became Sri Lanka. But the tea is still known as Ceylon tea. So let's call it Ceylon tea from Sri Lanka. Here, one of the most famous drinks in Japan. These all three brands, the names are different cities tea is grown in Sri Lanka, and this is 100% extract from Ceylon tea. So here we go. Tea is now even used as gift items. This is loose tea, but high value, high grown loose tea that we sometimes give as gifts. So let me show you how tea is made. Normally it's the hot water, and you put the tea, and one full teaspoon of tea for 1 cup. That's the normal rule of thumb, but some people put 1.5 if they like the tea strong. If you really want to get the tea flavor, keep it for 8 minutes. Don't take it out in 2 minutes, because you want to let it ferment, and then you get the real taste of tea. So another way you know that it is good is when you initially put the tea leaves, most of it floats. So when you close and keep it, the tea leaves go down. So when the tea leaves go down, you know, okay, it's good time to open and drink, pour the tea. So if you look at that, when it's a good tea, just like a good cognac, you can smell it. You can smell it, and then you taste it. You can tell the difference of a good tea and an average tea. And, normally I like the tea strong. The stronger the tea, you can flavor. You can get the flavor of the tea. And most tea connoisseurs drink the tea plain. They don't add anything. So I encourage you to please, the next time you go to the supermarket, look for the Ceylon tea. This logo here, this logo can be only used if it is 100% pure Ceylon tea. So please look for this logo when you buy tea the next time, so you know you get the best tea in the world.